Saturday, October 26th, about 20 after 9 in the morning. We got a northbound train on the Cincinnati to Corbin sub, somewhere between Falmouth and Butler. He's going slow. I'll bet he's on the siding. He's going slow. He might be on the main. He is rolling slow. He took a long time to get here. Pay attention to what I'm doing here. There. Too busy watching the train and not looking at the telephone / camera. Got my little buddy here, Carter. He knows the train comes. As soon as he heard that horn from miles away, he got excited. Let me see. It's a sighting. He's going slow. I need to pay attention to what I'm doing here. Guess I'm not awake yet. Had 3 trains come through overnight in the dark. One of them was the 541 Cincinnati to Waycross. I need to unzoom this thing. That's part of my problem here. There we go. He's going to stop probably. About 2.5 miles south of here, there's a where it goes from a single to a double line. There's a light, and I'm sure he got the yellow, which means proceed slow. And about a half mile past here, there's another one. It may tell him to stop. It may tell him to proceed slow, because another 2.5 miles or 2 miles past there, it goes back to one track again. He's rolling slow, slow, slow. Probably it's cold. I don't know if it's empty or full. The 3 leading locomotives. We'll back up a hair. There we go. Empty coal. Had one come through about 6 o'clock this morning. It was dark. I didn't feel like getting out of the bed. There was a local around 12:30. I heard about 10:30, and then I heard the 541 going south talking to the local. The local moved north. If that makes any sense. Now he's coming up close to that light. We'll see what happens. If he gets a red, he'll stop. And that'll be the end of this video. If he gets a green, he'll pick up speed. If he gets a yellow, he'll just keep moving along slowly. There's that tag. He managed to get that one. A lot of the CSX coal cars have that tag. I think that's, I can't think of his name now. There's his tag again. Got a Cardinal. Well, the dog, he can't make up his mind. Tubby. That's who. I've seen cars with that on there. It also has Tubby. It's in box letters. Well, if someone wanted to catch out, they can do it right here. But I don't recommend it. Somebody's excited. He goes back and forth, back and forth. What is it, Carter, huh? Well, I think you got a red light. So he's going to wait here till he gets the green. There might be another train coming the other direction before he gets a green. So there we go. Dead stop. Well, that's it for now. Not much to see other than a stopped train. All right, time for breakfast. See you later.